Hello and welcome to this short video on a 40-inch C-stand riser column. This riser is a steel replacement column that comes with KUPO's 40-inch master C-stand. It features a solid steel, industry standard, junior 1 1/8 inch mounting pin on the bottom, and a steel baby 5/8 inch mounting pin on top. The column comes with aluminum brake castings and stainless steel helicoil inserts to protect the castings from the solid steel tension bolts. This 40-inch column weighs in at 10.4 pounds. Collapsed, it measures 46.8 inches. Extended, it measures 118.9 inches. The 40-inch C-stand riser column comes in silver or a stealthy black powder coat. Due to their steel construction, C-stands get a bit heavy to lift and move around constantly, especially in the studio environment. Let's mount this 40-inch column in our KUPO runway base to let the good times roll. First, spread the legs of the runway base apart until they lock in place. Turn the tension knob counterclockwise on the turtle base to loosen and remove the 40-inch column. Next, insert the junior pin of the 40-inch column into the junior receiver in the runway base and tighten the knob clockwise until snug. Mount the ARRI 1K on the baby pin and tighten the set screw until secure, and you are ready to roll. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO, we like to say, never let go.